At the Garbage Family Show house, we never miss a garbage and recycling day. It's how I got inspired to build my own recycling truck. Here I am driving what I call a Recycling 77 truck that my dad built for me. This is a video of me on my recycling route back on Halloween. We received lots of messages asking how we built the truck. My dad is happy to show you how it's built. Here it is, underneath the blue walls of the truck, the original Garbage 66. This is originally a Peg Perego razor with a trailer attached. You have to buy this or something similar, then measure the width and the length. Ours is about 39 inches wide and 8 feet long. Today we're going to turn my skid steer into a recycle truck today, and I'm going to show you how. Then go to your local home improvement store and buy the 8-foot wood goes along the outside of the truck. Then attach the support bars along the front and the back. These two bars support the weight of the entire truck frame. Once the base is finished, build upward and you're on your way to having your own truck. Now it's time to paint the frame.
Latches in place to detach and open the back of the garbage truck so that once open, this can be removed. We use a cereal box to create the arch to help direct recycling into the container. And this is the hopper. It's just two door hinges, holes that are measured out to go into the recycling container. Dumps all the way in, travels down through, test it out.
The hopper is made of cardboard. After testing it a few times, we learned that I would need a stick or a shovel to clean the hopper. As I test, you'll notice the freshly painted blue panel behind me. We use foam board for the sides of the truck because it has a smoother finish than cardboard. That was perfect! And here's a quick look into the hopper after the side panels have been attached. And that's it! If you have any questions, comment below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and pound that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. It's gonna be epic! Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Thanks for watching the Garbage Family Show. I'd like to give a shout out to Connor, Kate, and Alexandra. It's time to get out there and recycle.